Hi everyone. In the previous video, we saw the steps to create a resource. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to use Azure AI services and the authentication process for AI services. First, once you create a Azure AI resource, we can build applications using the REST APIs, software development kits, and the Visual Studio interfaces. Various studio interfaces are available for different Azure AI services, such as Vision Studio, Language Studio, and Speech Studio. Studio based approach is mainly used to explore, demo, and evaluate various Azure AI services. Once we have created, it must be associated with the studio. So, to do that, we have to go to the settings page of the respective studio and then click the resource and then click use resource. Now it is associated with its respective studio. Once it is associated, now we have to complete the authentication steps. The AI services are usually accessed through RESTful APIs, which defines the information that is passed between the two software components, and it also handles the authentication process. The authentication process usually uses an endpoint and a key. Endpoint describes the location, that is, how to reach the AI service resource, and the key protects the privacy of the resource. Inside the created resource, we have a keys and endpoint tab in which you can find the details about the keys and endpoint. We must include this key and endpoint in the authentication header, which sends the authorization key to the service to confirm that the application can use the service. Thank you.